Good morning, guys. Can you hear me? xolo.io. I'm gonna check that link later, Andros. Yeah, AMD shows big relative strength. I don't know why. There's something wrong with it in a good way. Shit. Yep, Euphoria is going away in a pretty big way right now. Let's see here. Chumia. Nice. I'm telling you guys, you don't have to do the parabolic shorts. There's so much opportunity on the back side. Like look like something like Expo, for example. You don't have to find the top on it. There was plenty of opportunity to add several times. On this breakdown here, right? And you had this breakdown yesterday. NIO, this is one I added myself when it broke down here and then here. You don't have to find the top on these things. LI, same thing. You know, there were several, you know, at least one breakdown after the parabolic. Palantir 2, this one I tried too several times. Or this one I nailed the parabolic, but I also added on the... No, I didn't add. I was thinking about doing it, but I never added. You don't have to do any parabolic shorts. There's so many... There's so many ways, or there are many opportunities usually. Why is it so buggy? Why can't I see the quotes? Fucking TC2000. Have to click it. Okay. What the hell? Why is everything so buggy, right? Oh, it's no. Include pre-market. Now it's much better. Okay. Yeah, today I don't think I'm gonna trade much. I added a pretty nice position on Tesla pre-market like 30 minutes ago. Like this is also starting to fade now. So gonna manage that, and maybe if mRNA has a big push, I'm gonna add to that one too. Other than that, not really going to trade much. We've had a really good month. Yeah, usually after a good month, it's pretty nice to take a step back. Do you understand the buyout process, CRM and work? What do you want to know? My mom just came with some food. Thank you, Mom. My mom. Guys, do you believe me now that I live in a basement with my mom? Well, she lives upstairs. Do you believe me now? Oh man, like 50% of the chat actually believes that. It's too funny. Too funny. I'm gonna let you live in the delusion. Because it's so much more fun. Yeah, but Kavasto, he's probably a fraud. That guy makes no money. He's a salesman. He always makes these calls, and when he's wrong, he deletes it from Twitter. Oh man. And he claims he had some, big returns, but he's never proven anything. I don't know. I think he's a fraud. He's most certainly a fraud. He's kind of a joke. Hey, just because you read an article about someone in Aribab doesn't make them real, including me. Including me. Alright. Alright. Let's see here. He doesn't have a cat? There you go. He's a fraud. He is most definitely a fraud. Aribab brought you here? Yeah, a lot of people from Aribab and Wall Street Journal. All right. TTNP and ARCT? Absolutely not. I don't see anything on these things. And ARCT yesterday, I mean, sure, it was a parabolic, but why would you even look at something like this when there was mRNA right in front of your eyes? But I guess it was a decent setup, but, when you get something mRNA, you don't need to look at anything else. That was like, I mean, setups like these, that are this liquid, they don't come around often, man. Maybe a couple of times per year. I sold some. I sold some longs yesterday. I sold my Melee. I sold my Tan 2 days ago. In hindsight, that was a good decision. It's probably gonna find support on the 10 or 20. But when you get these Euphoria runs, even though the market indices are not extended, I've learned that it's best to size down on the longs because usually you have a pullback around the corner. So I'm watching some of my things very close, like Squared, like this thing closes below the 10, I'm out. Beely, all of these things. I don't want to risk giving back any profits on the long side. This NIO, man. What if this thing goes to the 50-day today? It's probably not. It's probably not. But what if? Oh boy, these things have no bids. Holy shit. At least for now. I did add some on NIO opening range lows. There's no support until the 50-day. This thing is just insane. Yeah, bloodbath. Reverse parabolic setups. Insane. Alright, square, I'm gonna size down right here a little bit. Not taking any risks whatsoever. I size down. So if it closes below the 10-day, I'm getting rid of all of it. mRNA too. Nice. Holy shit. Holy shit, man. Epic. Yeah, guys, don't look for breakouts in this. This is not a market. Look for breakouts. Yeah. Like a lot of speculation money is leaving the market right now. I think we need some time to stabilize. I don't think, I mean, one, there's not many good setups. Like AMD, I guess, was the only one that looked remotely good. But the best times to buy breakouts are when there are a lot of stocks setting up. That's the best time. Right now, there's just not that much out there. SNDL, it's a random microcap. Let's see if some of these names are gonna try to bounce. XPEV is right on the 20. This XPEV could actually put in a decent bounce if these things start, but I don't trust them yet. I do not trust these. LI, yeah, they had some good quarter growth numbers. Doesn't mean shit, because the momentum is over. Yeah, good news, bad news, it doesn't matter. Follow the price action. That's all that matters. It's all priced in. LI has 10 years of growth priced in. It's a tiny piece of shit, the electric company out of China, valued at 30 billion, you know. They need to grow at this rate for 10 years. They had offering too. Yeah. You know, it's all that matters. Price action is all that matters. Yeah, there's not many good setups. I think we need a few weeks. I think we need a few weeks to get a, or you know, I don't know, but right now I just don't see many setups. I don't. Now is the time for patience. No, I added Tesla pre-market when it broke down pre-market. I have tiny shares left in mRNA, 15,000. There are definitely setups that could be ready, if it, you know, pretty soon. So it's not the end of the world that these EV stocks and are pulling back. It's just, you know, it's a pretty small sector overall. Yeah, AMD is on its own planet. That's what happens when you get these types of breakouts. These things are very powerful. The flags on the weekly flags that have been going sideways for 3, 4 months, 5 months, and been building higher lows for multiple weeks. They can be really, really powerful. Oh no, I forgot to cover Chumia into the weakness. Okay. Futo, I'm gonna sell if it closes below the 20-day. Square is bouncing nicely, very good. So far, looks like a lot of things are bouncing for now. Tesla wants to test the lows again. Interesting. Tesla can't bounce. The China EVs are bouncing. Tesla can't bounce. How much downside? Okay, it's right on a 10-day. If it loses the 10-day, next stop is the 20-day. All right. Am I selling NIO? I'm not long NIO, so I can't sell it. But yeah, I'm gonna reshort, or well, if I see a good setup, I'm gonna add more to the short side. I came in short overnight on NIO. I covered some. I did some on opening range lows, but I got stopped out on that pretty quickly. And now it wants to rally back. Dun, dun, dun. All right, guys, I'm gonna mute the microphone for a while. I need to eat something. Well, you may want to hear me shoo, but I don't think anyone else wants to hear me shoo. Okay, guys, refreshment. Let's do a little refresher on the rules. Put symbols in caps, and don't just randomly put tickers out there. Put a question or a comment. It's not helpful to anyone. This Tesla is building lower highs. Yeah, but who's gonna do higher rates? I haven't heard anything about higher rates. 10-year? I don't know how to do that. Tier 2 is 20-year. Celsius was yesterday a good re-entry. Why would you want to re-enter this thing? Oh, you mean, oh yeah, because you got stopped out. Yeah, okay. Nah, it wasn't that good of a setup yesterday. Yeah, the 10-day stop out, yeah. Yeah, it wasn't as fast as I was hoping for, but I'm trading it with a 20 anyway, so. Yeah, let's see if we can get some opportunity in mRNA maybe. If we can keep bouncing. I was really hoping for a gap up on mRNA. Like, I was hoping for a gap up to 150s or something, but you know, it rarely happens. If I want a gap, it usually doesn't happen in the direction I want it to happen. Tesla is now trying to perk a little bit. I just don't see much to do. Like, this is great for day traders, like this price action, like intraday traders, but I don't see any solid swing entries right now. Oh, Koopa is violating the 10-day again. So mRNA is rallying into these resistance areas. Damn, I'm pissed I missed the cover opportunity on Achumia. A little bit annoyed. Well, if you think silver and gold are looking good, then you can trade Nugget and AGQ. I think gold looks not so great and silver needs time. Okay, Tesla's attempting a bounce of the 10-day. I'm gonna lower my stop to the highs of the day, which is also break even for the pre-market ads. Swedish staple foods, kebab and pizza. PDD bouncing off the 10-day. Now if it can tighten up for a few days, this is gonna be a very good looking high tide flag. Okay, mRNA. I'm covering my last few shares if it, very soon. But if it fails here, I may add more short. If it puts in a red 5-minute candle or something, I'm gonna add more on the short side. So we'll see. It's an important area for mRNA. When I stream the Lego assembly, probably never. I'm building it together with my girlfriend. Sorry, I mean my mom, down here in the basement. And I don't think she wants to be streamed. Did I ever get the Cybertruck? Do you realize it's not even being produced yet? So no, I didn't get it. Did you read an article about me yesterday in the newspaper? What newspaper? Who the hell is writing articles about me? You showed me? No, you haven't showed me. Or will you show me? What newspaper? Wait, what? Okay, that's a good one. Yeah, I read something about it. Yeah, there's a mom in Sweden who locked up his son for 28 years. His son is 41. He hasn't been outside for 28 years, maybe even more. No, that's not me, but it could be. IKEA. Well, all food in IKEA is shit because it's the cheapest food. I mean, we're not talking about quality ingredients. Like, it's the cheapest of the cheap. So no. If you want to eat good Swedish food, you shouldn't go to IKEA. Absolutely not. It's like going to the cheapest Italian restaurant and the food there will suck, and then you will think, oh, Swedish food sucks. That's what IKEA does to Swedish food. Oh man, I want to play some Total War Warhammer. This is boring. Yesterday was an insane day. I was stressed out as hell. Oh man, I was so stressed out when I was short 80,000 shares here. 170 area. Low 170s. This is what I saw. Extremely extended stock. You have this gap up, lower highs, you have this range. This is textbook. But you know, I was so afraid it was gonna result to the upside. Like, I would have lost like $1 million on it if it had stopped me out. Nah, maybe not 1 million, but you know. So it was a scary trade, and then it did this. And I even added here when it broke down intraday. I think I even added here also. Yeah, I think I added no, I didn't. No, I didn't add here, but I did add here. And then I covered pretty aggressively. My stop on the ad, it was a tight stop, just above this little range here. It was only a few bucks on the ad. Okay, I need to finish my food. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna cut the stream. I just don't see much happening today. I don't see anything good on the short side. I don't see anything good on the long side. For day traders, there's a lot of opportunity. But for me, I just don't see anything solid. right now. I just do not see anything solid right now. Alright guys, thanks for joining, and I will see you tomorrow.